I think it's a good concept. It just needs to be improved. It needs to be reworked and maybe some things done with it.
I think it's important that people do have health insurance.
I don't think that there should be a mandate. Nobody should be told that they have to buy health insurance because, I mean, this is America. If you don't want health insurance, you shouldn't be required to have health insurance.
The plan I have right now is very affordable. I get good discounts on my prescriptions. My wife and I do take some prescriptions.
I think in all honesty, it's working well. I mean, we're very fortunate too that we don't use the doctor very often.
I have to go based on what I can afford, which is awful. It's extremely high deductible. I can't even tell you what it is because I purposely do not go to the doctor because I can't afford it. I have insurance and I don't use it.
It was hard to find a plan that kept my own doctors.
I think my biggest concern is that when you go to the doctor, I just go and then I open up the mail and go, okay, could the bill be $20 or could it be $3,200? You don't know.
For me to order insulin in the United States, it's a little box of five vials, and it costs $953 for one box. A cash price in Poland is 200 zlotys, which is about $43. I save $8,000 a year by flying to Europe.
And you have to choose. Do I pay my mortgage or do I pay the $800 medical bill that just came in the mail? Or do I pay for my medications that can be life-sustaining? Or do I eat this week?
Well, I was hurt at a job, and for the last 5 years I've been doing a battle. And I had no insurance, couldn't work. And without Obamacare coming through and opening up the Medicaid rolls, I've had 4 surgeries in 2 years, and I'm getting back on my feet.
I'm insured for the first time in, probably 15 years
And why does that
through
matter?
Medicaid. I mean, it's nice you can have a provider and you have a connection and you can go in and get fairly decent health care.
Yeah, I think you hear, what he said 100 times, repeal and replace Obamacare, but the repeal part did worry me, only in that, the reason that I have health care is because of something that was in Obamacare.
So yeah, I would want a low deductible because I didn't choose a plan with a $6,000 deductible.
And to make it affordable so I can bring my kids to the doctor when they need to go and not have to worry about all these expensive costs that are gonna eat my paycheck up at the end of the week.
So that you can qualify
Yes.
for help when you're a quote-unquote middle-class person. Somebody that's making $42,000 a year isn't making a lot of money. And if they have mouths to feed, that's not a lot of money.
Even though you have a pre-existing condition, cover it. I mean, that is one thing Obamacare has done that is good.
If I had healthcare, I would like to know what it is that's covered and no surprises. Kind of like you go to a restaurant, there's a menu, you know what you're paying for, you know what you're getting. Like everything should just be very clear cut.
I think for me it was making pharmaceuticals bid against each other because America is the highest bidder and buyer of pharmaceuticals. And there's nothing there to keep them from putting their prices up. Even on like life-saving meds, they put the prices sky high and there's nobody to kind of shut them down.
I'm really far from a socialist, but I think that everybody needs to have their health taken care of and they don't need to worry about it. They should be able to walk into the doctor and have it paid for.
Mr. Trump, my name is JT. I voted for you. I have cancer currently, and I'm very concerned in regards to my own health, but more importantly, the health of our nation. Do continue to listen carefully to all those who assisted you in your relocating to Pennsylvania Avenue. We believe in your words and wish to believe in your actions. Help us to get well and give us the opportunity to get on our feet and run once again.